So I wanted to do a really quick little video of my Eflite F-16 with the afterburner that I've added, so you can see. And it's so you can see, starts off with a little flicker if you want it to, and that's that can be programmed into the radio if you want, but I have it to be linear right now, so that's a little off idle. And that's all the way up to full. So if you want there to be flicker, there is flicker. You just have to program it in that way. And you can program it to do that in your radio if you want it to. But I have it set to be linear right now. So one more time. Starts off idle. And all the way up to full. And then back down. And you can have it come on at half if you want, or have it come on wherever you want, or you can have it just come on like a switch, or you can just have it come on like that and stay that way the whole time if you want. So that's it.